So the iPod Touch has a little bit of a camera. Well, I guess it's more like a microphone issue. So there's this little popping noise that you'll get as you're recording a video. So if you listen really closely, you'll be able to hear that. It seems like it's only more prominent when you're actually recording like a noticeable sound. So if you're just recording like hardly nothing going on, no voices or anything, you won't get it. But a lot of my videos I record, I've noticed the sound, so I'm curious if anybody else has this issue as well. Let me know if you have an iPod Touch with the same problem.